Alright, yo, live trading again today. Yeah. Okay, so my buys for today is I'm looking for long still. We are trading lower. We do have like this accumulation here. Market will open in 4 minutes. We do have like all these lows here, still in a bigger time frame busy, which is on the 2 hour. We still have it. And then this is now our range because we put in a swing low, we put in a swing higher. We're in consolidating side of here. We don't have any inefficiencies. Same on yes, all those or all these highs here. We're still inside of this range here, which is actually from here to here on yes. And yeah, what else? Yeah, we had 8:30 PPI news, which was this, and that created equal highs with the Asia session. So this is going to be my draw on liquidity for today, and we'll see if it wants to get taken. Yeah, that's my bias for today. So I do want to just trade lower, which we are doing now. And from there, look for longs actually. We will be trading on TopstepX again today. Which is also but I will alright, your guys, what's your guys' opinion? Yo, Mr. Nobody, what's up, man? Did you already take a trade? You willing to take a trade today? Yeah, man. I'm looking for a long stay. I literally just was typing this here. I have this on my marked out on my chart. Looking for long stay. ES has perfectly equal highs, which is also 8:30 data wick. I wouldn't mind us trading lower, trading into the sell side, which we did now. or go even lower and take yesterday's low. But I will be looking for longs today. What is your guys' opinion? But yeah, looking for longs today. So, and if you trade all the way lower, like honestly, probably would just skip the entire day. If the draw on liquidity is not clear for me, then yeah, I already had a great trade yesterday, or great day yesterday. But yeah, you taking any trades today? Or are you planning on taking any trades today? No, I'm just watching today, not expecting too much. Yeah, wouldn't surprise me if you get bad price action today, but we'll see. Market opened here now. Do have this rejection block holding also. It's on a 6 hour. They're really not moving in tandem. Yes, all the way higher. Wouldn't surprise me if ES just pushes higher into the equalize here, and then NQ still being bearish. Maybe I'll demo trade. Nice, man. Yeah, do it. If you're already saying like not expecting too much, like not really sure to take a trade, like why not demo trade? If your setup's gonna be so clear, then you probably want to switch to your actual account, right? If it's really that clear. But yeah, this already looks pretty bad. See, I think we had only medium impact for news. Yeah, no other news. We only have 10 AM news, which is the medium impact for news, which is not really that special. Let's see what it is actually. Prelim UOM inflation expectations. I hope that we don't take the buy side here, but I think we will. Because that's my target, like my low-hanging fruit for today. If we take this, then we still have the buy side for me there. But yeah. Would be better if we just leave that. Alright. It's not all-time highs, is it? No. It's only this as my low-hanging fruit. This, and then this for yes, and then all-time highs for NQ. But it'll be these targets out for yes, probably. How was your day today, Mr. Nobody? I do like that we trade lower. See if you want to go for yesterday's low. Does look like it's. Market seems decoupling. If you want to trade, wait for it to sink. Yeah, probably. Probably, yeah. This is my setup here, though. But yeah. Previous time, I had that before. This is my setup, though. That's a crazy candle. We'll probably break even trade anyway. I'm gonna take this. 6 contracts. I'm already too late. Oh shit. Okay, let's just let it run then. Or we can get back at the entry there. I'm gonna take this one. Like honestly, it's my setup, not ignoring it. I had it before that it just runs like I have a whole trading plan built behind it. If it's a stop, it's a stop. I want to have it as mechanical as possible, so let's see. No emotions involved. Let's see. Break even will be at that white line on NQ, and on ES it will actually be this high here because that's equal. And I'm filled even lower, so my risk is not that much as it would have been. If this is going to be a loss, then I'll write it down if the market is... Yeah, I don't know. It's like, I really don't like subjective things. Like, the market is decoupled. Like, that's really subjective. Like, when is it decoupled? Where's the entry, actually? Yeah, the risk isn't that much. Pretty lucky, I would say, because my entry should have been here. Yeah, it's gonna be
order
stop.
filled.
All right. Where's the actual fill? 233 4.50 here. Oh, it's not that much off, but risking 6 contracts. Yeah, 230. Yeah, okay, that's good. Oh, copy image. Ocean. Hello. Okay. All right. So wouldn't be anything here. Why you're in a hurry? It's not a hurry. It's just my setup formed, and I want to have it as like literally as mechanical as possible. So it forms. I take it. It's in the right time. Like everything was there. Like all my rules were ticked. So like it's a loss, but all my rules were followed. So it's still great trade. Now just waiting. Like also we were respecting that busy on ES as well. Like we're not yeah, we're decoupled. Like you could say that, but that's, I don't know. When are we decoupled? Looks pretty slow. Alright. So got a turtle soup there, but yeah, still just an unfortunate trade, but everything by the rules, so still a great trade. You see the 935 is first for value gap, and it's a busy. The market disrespected. You need at least nice displacement above 930 high to enter. If it wasn't me, of course. What do you mean? 935. But we did, right? Like that's also like pretty subjective. Like what is displacement? I would say that this is like a big displacement candle, right? So just an unfortunate trade. Or unfortunate price action, I would say. Nice push. Yeah, I really don't know what we want to do now outweighed now. I need a lot more structure for me to take anything else. But my drawn liquidity is still the equal highs here on yes. Oh. Oh. Hey, check out intraday forecaster. What? What is that? Oh wait, that's your name? What do you mean? Or intraday forecaster. What? Okay, I think that's spam or something. Yeah, it looks pretty clear. So that's just a really like unfortunate stop, right? I would say the drawn kitty was correct. Like the trade was in the right time. Swap the equal lows, have the inversion, closed above it, in the right time. No news at 10. Break even would be here. Yeah. Drawn liquidity is there. But we are pretty slow now though. But yeah, of course couldn't have known that while I was in the trade. While I just entered. Let's remove this. Actually make this for in my journal again, so I know what happened when I look back. Okay. That 926 FEG is around yesterday. What? Oh yeah. How long have you do you have it on your chart? The first represented one. You mean that one or? Looks pretty boring here. Do have all these equal lows still. We'll probably maybe even a seek and destroy day today. I want to see what we do after taking that high, because I think that high is going to be first. And then we leave this liquidity, and maybe from the high then we go lower. Or we get displacement lower out of nowhere. Yeah, it wouldn't surprise me if this is just gonna be, if you get a drop out of nowhere as well. I don't know why we're so slow. Trade into this BC on NQ or ES. See what NQ wants to do if it goes lower. Okay, wick. Okay. Alright, there's the buy side. So on that trade, I would say the drawn liquidity was correct. Everything was correct. Yeah, literally everything was correct, but just didn't get it, which is fine. Yeah, these equalizer taken now. Beautiful. We are so slow that I honestly think that we want to trade back into this range here. Maybe on NQ go even lower, take out yesterday's low. But honestly, it doesn't really look good, or looks like doesn't really look like good price action. So my drawn liquidity is higher though. This doesn't matter anymore. Only this now. Like this trend line here. I keep the first FEG for another day. I find it useful trading PM or early AM next day. Okay. Maybe. I've seen it work. Like I know it works. It's really satisfying to see. I do hope that we trade lower into some lows before we go to the buy side if we do want to go there. Also have equal lows here on NQ. I think it's going to be same story as yesterday. Fake move to the upside, then take out the equal lows, maybe then go higher. But like literally, yeah, same thing as yesterday. Anyone that is long in here, stop loss are beneath here, beneath here, beneath here as well. Like these are all like protected lows because of the resistance. And my guess is that we will take those out if we do want to go higher. We do take those out before we go there. And then have a fake run. Yeah, it could just be a really choppy session. And these are like really obvious. And this on yes. You looking for anything yet, Mr. Nobody, on a demo? I don't know if I like my crosshair. Yeah, really choppy here, but the 10 a.m. candle or the 4-hour candle is about to open at 10 a.m. Few seconds. Would be really nice if that opens. That trades lower into those equal lows, prints the open and then the low, and then distributes higher. Let's see if it wants to trade lower. Okay, wow. Oh yeah, that's news, of course. That's pretty big medium impact follower news, actually. Okay, but those equal lows are taken. Yeah, it's pretty big medium impact follower news, wow. think this maybe looks better. Not in here. Yeah, literally nothing here. You're looking to enter again? With good structure, yes, but the structure isn't good, in my opinion. Yeah, we did exactly what I said. Looks pretty good for it to go higher, but there's no entry. Wow, crazy. If the setup does firm, I'm looking to enter again, yeah. I don't think we're gonna get anything here. Oh, that's a really big wick. Doji. Yeah, this looks really bad. If this is gonna stay inside this range and then chop and gives like more doji candles, really small candles, then I'm gonna skip the entire session. That wick went to C of the open range gap. Oh. On mine it didn't, or NQ probably. Or yes. Oh, wait. Yes doesn't even have a real one. Still no setup, so nothing here. But it does look good now. And let's see. Yeah, I think this gonna push on this candle still. Yeah, nice. So the draw on liquidity was correct today. But yeah, really unfortunate. Which is I had it on the 50 minutes, yeah. Let's remove this. Copy image. There it is. Totally fine, of course. Yeah. Let's see what we're gonna do now, but I have to wait for a lot more structure now. Oh. Yeah, pretty nice. Like, I really like putting this in here, actually. Like, this is also like a journal for me. Like, before and after. Like, what happened. What was the actual low? CE. CE of the BISI there. And then ES. Oh, that's on the bigger time frame, yeah. Yeah, that's beautiful. So back at all-time highs again, which is totally fine. But I do want to see it push all-time highs. Like, I want to see a straight higher in all-time highs. Just maybe a really bullish day. Low, I went long in demo on 10:15, tapping PD array first FEG. 10:05 on 10:05, tapping PD first FEG. Oh, previous day FEG. Wow, that's probably an amazing trade then, or an amazing reaction. Wow, amazing. Yeah, look at that distribution. Beautiful. If I did get like a break-even trade on this, I would have been left out anyways. But yeah, this is exactly what I want to see. Like, I want to see us just push all-time highs. Because we're just really bullish on every time frame. Like, I'm not calling tops in bullish markets, so I just want to see us push all-time highs. Also, election year. The market just has to show it's doing really good. It just has to push all-time highs. Yeah, beautiful. But no trade though. I'm actually gonna watch the video of my weekly pies. And that is that SMT for me. So we got that as, let's say, get like one here. Monday and Tuesday will stay inside of this big range here. Don't really do anything. And then Thursday or Wednesday could put the low of the week in here and still respect all of this structure, and then actually go higher, distribute higher, and then for NQ take out these highs. It already went wrong in the in Tuesday's Tuesday accumulation. To all-time highs Monday as well. And then ES will just be trending at all-time highs here. But we could also, yeah, does look beautiful though. Create more structure. That really depends on what we do on Monday and Tuesday. We could also just be inside this range here and then actually break out on Wednesday and Thursday, and then all the people that think we're going lower, then actually they get stopped out, and this will be Wednesday low of the week. Yes, or but just be trending higher because there's no real target here, and then for NQ will just be these two, and then also all will just be these two. Time highs there. Okay. Yeah, beautiful. Let's see if it's gonna chop around the rest of the session, otherwise I'm gonna skip the rest of the session. My chart, 904 and that wick are equal highs. 904. On my chart, 904 and that wick are equal highs. $9.50 macro got late for the news, so I expect a quick move. Oh, that's the reason for the trade, you mean? Oh, you trade the NAS 100, of course. Right? That's why those are a bit different, I think. Or is it NQ, maybe? Oh, what the hell? Oh, NQ is the same. Oh, no, it isn't. No, that's something with NAS 100 as well. Yeah, literally nothing here, unfortunately. Probably is something on the 15 second, 30 second, like the inversion setup, but I'm not trading on that. Let's see if there was a clean setup. Yeah, 15 second. And then nothing there. Another 15. I wouldn't probably have been a trade anyway. Or ES has something, man. Go look at that. Oh yeah, nice, nice. I think we're gonna, this day is gonna push like in all-time highs this entire day. These lows are generated for later in time, which are these. So this would be, if you do want to go lower somewhere, sometime. What's it? 2 hour, let's make it clean. So on a bigger time frame, Stage of accumulation. Stage of accumulation. Maybe stage of accumulation, I don't know. Great, stage of accumulation. You have one here, here, and then this is the original consolidation. Eventually, when we do want to go lower, then this will of course be the original consolidation. Consolidation 1, consolidation 2, consolidation 3. I don't know how long it wants to go, but or how much further it wants to go, but that'll be really clean. So I think for maybe next week as well, this is still gonna hold because there's no reason for us to go lower. So I think next week these will still be intact. Yeah, I believe you'll find something in the lower time frame. Yeah, of course. Always, yeah. Like maybe a 1 second chart. There's always probably something. But that's not my setup. I only backtest on a 1 minute, even though price is fractal, I'm not doing it. Yeah, beautiful 4-hour candle, like exactly what I said. Have to run here higher, then people believe it's gonna go up. I have fake resistance here, or the trend line, and the fake resistance got taken down on 10 AM. And also 10 AM trading a lower. So prints the open, print a low, we print a high, and then the close, which is still has to be a long time. But I think this is gonna be a way bigger candle. Yeah, beautiful power tree. Oh. Bro, what? Look, this is the first Ferrari gap of the day. This guy is crazy. $9.30 opening. First represented FEG. New day opening gap. October 10. Crazy. Still pushing. Let's see if I would have hit my TP. That's break even. I think I would have. Yeah, 100%. Or actually, no. First TP would be at this high, which wouldn't have been taken before news, because the news would have had me stop the break even and a few next candles. I think that would be even worse. Getting stopped the break even there and then rerun. I wanted to enter there, but it didn't tap in my chart. It did tap 9th of October, 10:30, 15-minute order block. This here. Oh yeah, nice. Nice, yeah. Yeah, that's the downside of trading on the S100. Like, those prices can be different, and you can, yeah, on something good you can just be not filled. Whoa, bro, I'm still so tired from yesterday. Went way too late to bed because of the backtesting. I literally started the stream of the backtesting session. I literally said, yeah, this stream is gonna be different. I'm only gonna do 45 minutes of backtesting, and yeah, I know I say it every time, but this one is gonna be different because I have to go up early in the morning. I said that yesterday before my stream, or in the stream of the backtesting session, and I literally did 1.5 hours, like double again. But yeah, now I am really tired, but just gonna wait until tonight morning. I said, and then take a good night's sleep. Have nothing tomorrow, so I'll probably sleep in. How long was it? Yeah, 1.5 hours, just say. Okay, so I do like this because this always, or not always, this just gives more structure, but it could also be like a lot of manipulation. If it's a lot of manipulation without doing anything, like maybe taking a lows and not doing anything, like I'll just skip the session right away. But yeah, I shouldn't complain. Like, trading is already a luxury. Like, you can make this amount of money in such a short period of time. Like, I'm only on the charts for not even an hour, and I want to be off the charts already. That's also a good thing, but yeah, still, like, it's only 2 hours total. It can be like 2 hours total. It's not that much. Like, I shouldn't even complain. Yeah, my when I do get off the charts is when we take those equal lows, because I do want to look for higher prices again, look for a long setup. But if we do take those equal lows, which is a form of sell side liquidity, but we do nothing with it, then that tells me that we want to have a longer accumulation period of time. So that won't be anything then. Okay, woo now. Yeah, again, equal lows here was taken. Fake move higher. Those support and resistance traders are stopped out. Everyone that is long inside of this move, I wouldn't say really trade stop losses. There's no real resistance here. Like, these are like equal lows, but it's not really like actual equal lows. I don't think there are really a lot of stop. Like, the algorithm isn't looking for this looking to hunt this yet. I think we want to go higher still, like create actual resistance somewhere. Like on a lower time frame, just be like a retracement inside of a imbalance. So I do think that we still want to go higher. We did reach AM target, so I'm not interested anymore. Yeah, that's also a good thing, yeah. But yeah, for me, I'm just expecting for the entire day to be bullish, actually. Let's look at a weekly candle. Yeah, I think there's still a lot of oh, this one looks pretty bullish already. Yeah, I do think there is still a lot more potential. So so there could be like a setup in the AM session, and then we could still distribute higher from there. Like your setup could be safe the entire day then. But I do know what you're saying. Also, if you maybe, I don't know if you look at it like that, but the AM session target is reached or has been taken, but also the weekly target has been taken, which was all-time highs on here, which we took on, what was it? No, which we literally took now. So also the weekly objective is taken. I don't know if you want to look at it like that, but maybe then also not trade the PM session. Friday PM, just skip it. It can be pretty good. I skipped the whole Friday PM session. Or no, then I skipped the whole day. If we have high impact follower news, then I trade the entire day. If you have medium impact follower news, then I only trade the AM session, except Friday. If you have medium impact follower on Friday, then I don't trade the entire Friday. And also no news Friday, I don't trade the Friday. But if there's high impact follower news, then I've seen really good Friday PM sessions. So I will still be interested. But yeah, also like as you said, AM session target has been taken. Weekly target has been taken. But yeah, for me that doesn't end there, because I still think that we want to push higher and be more bullish. Like just be pushing all-time highs. That's what I'm thinking. Actually so tired. This already looks like something more. This did take out the low though. But yeah, low here, low here, low here. Could be like a trend line in the future. It's not that obvious yet. You may look for continuation, entry at launch. Yeah, maybe around there. Maybe, yeah. But I'm not trading the launch. Like I'm not doing that. Like launch still for me, I never trade the launch. Never do it. Only maybe when I'm profitable. But I decided not to trade that. Like there's too much time for me to be on the market then, and then like every minute more on the charts is just exposing myself to potentially another loser. So I just narrowed it down to just the best macros, the best kill zone. Yeah, and from there, yeah, work from there. Let's see what I want to do here. Holding this 2 minutes, singular busy. Not bad. I also have a trend line on ES. Yeah, it doesn't mean anything now. Like from here we could just pump again. Like market can do anything it wants. I just want to see how it reacts at a certain point. Am I gonna order something to eat tonight? I don't know why, but I suddenly thought about it. Should I? Lunge may retrace trade to the open range gap. High, then continue. I've never seen that before, so I really wouldn't know. Let's see. Yeah, that would maybe, yeah, also something like that for me. Not because of looking at this, but looking at the structure that we have here. Like we could just be pushing all-time highs, like really no retracement. But yeah, there are like some stop losses we need here now. You have like this range, we break out of the range. Stop losses are now below here, but yeah, we really don't have to take those. We could create a lot more structure. Market can do anything it wants. I just want to see if we do take those, how are we gonna react off of there? I think we also have an imbalance. A huge 50-minute one, singular one. And on ES, you have a 30-minute one, which is way lower, so then NQ will probably tap into the imbalance. Yeah, let's see what we do. Like I really love, that's also that ICT teaches. And I think that's honestly like, oh, there are so many things that ICT teaches, and it's like the full package. Like he also teaches, there's like some episodes, which I loved, which was like teaching us to learn what, not really to learn what it was, but like he showed bull flags, he showed bear flags, he showed all those head and shoulder patterns, like he showed trend lines, he showed all of it. And they do definitely work, like I see them work, but they don't work with the right context. And when you are in a trade and let's say I'm really bullish, like I can use that to determine where other traders, like I wouldn't say that support and resistance traders never work, because they obviously do as well. But here, like I could already guess, like, okay, some support and resistance traders are gonna get stopped here. And I think that's honestly like beautiful thinking that way, and it's always really satisfying to see when it actually does happen. Like you can know, like maybe there's some streamer you're thinking about, like you're just knowing that he was in there and then he gets stopped out. For me, there's no way we're gonna push through all-time highs. For NQ, you mean? I'm not saying NQ is gonna go to all-time highs, like definitely not. But if we are gonna be there, then that's gonna be my target. But because it's that much higher, it's gonna be a fixed TP for me if I do get a setup. But I'm just looking at ES now. Like ES is just gonna push all-time highs. Like that's what I think ES is gonna do. But yeah, no real target. Like if I would be in a trade, like my TP would be, let's say if I was in here, like my risk applies here. So this is a 1 to 4 1 RR. I take at least a 1 to 2. If my target is beyond a 1 to 4, well, there is no other target for me. So I take a 1 to 2, and then that's 75% off. And then my next TP, if it's inside a 1 to 10, I take the rest of it off there. My actual target is beyond a 1 to 10, so what I do is take a 1 to 5. So that's literally what I do then. Like no liquidity target then. Because we have literally no other targets, then for me only all-time highs. Like I really don't care about this high. If we react lower, like I really don't care then. Oh yeah, ES is going blind. Yeah, I'm just saying, like ES is definitely gonna push all-time highs, or definitely, like there's always no definitely in the markets, but I really think that ES is gonna push higher, like probably like number-wise, like heading towards 6K. Definitely not today. I'm not saying today, but that's like maybe like the draw on liquidity, you know. Like purely trading ES, I could have that fixed up, but I could also take profits as like like a rounded number. Like I have no experience with it, but if I was, then I probably should have targeted, or should have, probably would have targeted like I don't know, like a 5,900 or something. If I was in a crazy trade. Be honestly, no real experience there. NQ will guide her. I'm thinking, yeah, yeah, same actually. NQ is like always guiding, yes. It looks like. But yeah, in the bigger time frame, NQ is just following ES. So maybe you can see ES guiding NQ. But yeah, that's really yeah, subjective, I would say. So this does look beautiful. Hopefully we leave these. Hopefully ES doesn't take this yet. This low, I mean. Like maybe print one more candle. Then we have literally like every trader in here. I don't know about the indicators, but then you have support and resistance traders. Then you have breakout traders below the low. Yeah, more. Yeah, what is this? Like, I wouldn't say anything here, but we could do something really nice here. I'm just looking for a way to stop as many people out of the market as we can, or as the market could. See if you wanna respect this BISI or SIBI, and then from there still go lower into the equal lows. Then the NQ will be like around the range here. Hopefully not take the low and then actually go higher again. I refer to the market as we. I refer to the market as she, I think. Like we're like in a relationship with the market. Disrespected, sorry. Let's see. I'm just waiting for the lows to get swept and then seeing the structure after. And if it's literally like nothing, like no volume after taking lows, and I'm gonna close it here. Like my original kill zone is until 11:15. But yeah, I'm not expecting anything if we don't do anything there. I'm not expecting anything after. Wow, that's beautiful. those equalize. Hopefully we keep those. But NQ is now lower again than ES, so it can be really choppy again. New day opening gap may act as support if we take the lows. Is there a new day opening gap here? Ooh, yeah. Yeah, that would be pretty nice. That would be pretty nice, yeah. And then maybe you have like a wick tap in the high. We could do some crazy stuff. That's equal lows. Okay, that's the low there. I think ES still wants to go for it. Should I put the new day opening gap on? Just gonna keep it on. Oh shit. On here. Yeah, yes, gonna take that low as well. Yeah, I do want to see if you get some good volume back to the upside somewhere here. This will be how do I say, tricky. I don't know if it's gonna happen, but I'm looking for a singular one. That would be on the 2 minute, but I don't know if we're gonna get that 2 minutes. Still 1 more minute after this candle then. Hopefully you can stay out of this. Because then we would create a civvy. So we do have the singular 50-minute busy here as well, which isn't necessary for us to tap back into, but that could be something that a marker wants to draw to. 30-minute one here on yes. I will mark it out, but I won't even see it. Okay, this does look good still. I do think that we gotta tap that busy anyway. And then from here, maybe have the rest of the session consolidate inside of here. I hope so. So we do have that 2 minute, but I don't think we're gonna reverse it all the way from here. I think we first want to tap the busy here, consolidate around there. So until we tap the busy, I'm just looking at the candles, seeing if we want to accumulate a lot there, like have like really small volume candles, and then I'll just close the AM session. Would be a trade if we do close above though. But I think it's going to be used as a civvy if we do want to get there. Which other close will tell then. Yes, they tapped the singular CB, which is on the 1 minute. Yes, they tap it, so we do have an SMT. And there's the CB or BISI. Yeah, they verve yep SMT. Let's see what we have on NQ. Yeah, I think we're just gonna consolidate inside of this. Maybe this is a distraction there. Doesn't matter anyway. I'm not expecting for this to get ran through. Even though that looked pretty bearish, or this looks pretty bearish, I'm really not expecting for it to get ran through. I do think that these lows are generated for later in time. This low and this low, or this low and this low for yes, and then this low and this for NQ. Yeah, a lot of things there were there. We going back to the BISI breaker, the gap. This year, yeah, wow, beautiful unicorn model. Wow, is that random? That must be random. Yeah, that's so random. That's crazy. Wow. Yeah, that must be completely random. Yeah, beautiful unicorn model here. Yeah, that's crazy. Let's see if ES has that breaker. No, not really. Yes, does have this move to the upside, which was, it was higher, but that was the manipulation move. But I don't think ES can have anything real precise. No. Yeah, honestly, big, huge candles, a lot of volume, but no way that we're bearish. Because if we do want to go lower, then I'm expecting for this low to get taken as well. And that would mean this low as well. And I really think that this is going to be generated for later in time. So yeah, where do we want to go then? Yeah, I'm looking at the high, the cost encroachment, and the low. And if we even do want to go lower from there, I would say optimal trade entry, and then around here, that's like the last, because there's also no real wick here. So only those are the last levels for the reaction, but yeah, Should be somewhere here. So react off the constant encroachment here. Small reaction. I want to see respect to C of the opening range gap at least if we go higher. Close, open. Yeah, around there, I would say as well. Yeah, really just, if my setup forms now, then that's already fine with me. But yeah, I actually did expect it for it to like consolidate inside of here. We could still do it, of course, but really didn't expect to drop. Yeah, it would be a clean market maker buy model. I do think that we wanna like make more structure here, take out this high, then have a market maker sell model here. That's a pretty low. From here go higher. So then we have a market maker buy model. And then not in here, but we have this. And then have like this. I'm gonna screenshot it. I don't know why, but that would be so satisfying. I'm just doing something to waste my time. And then yeah, another one here. Another one here. Really don't know where the low is gonna be. I'm gonna make a screenshot. Just yeah. Yeah, this looks really clean still. Yo, trading NQ futures. Oh snap, 106 nubs. Nubs? What am I saying? Subs. Nice, bro. Yeah, bro. It's honestly, that was so quick. Like it was literally like 10 per day. That was so crazy. How's the trading going? I took one loss on the day. Followed all my rules. Bias was correct. Yeah, everything was correct, but just an unfortunate loss. I took the long setup inside of here. With the closure above this candle. Stop second lowest candle. Break even would be here. Which we also didn't tap on the S. Break even would be there. Got stopped on this wick here. And then this does look really good. Like, wow. I could have had this, all of this, but I got stopped on this. It's just unfortunate that I didn't get a break even because I would be break even on here. But let's say I was still in, then this would have been my break even, and I would have been break even on this anyway. But yeah, my draw on liquidity was correct, bias was correct. Just the execution, I would say unfortunate, but I followed every rule, so still a big W. Okay, we did take the high here. Let's see if this one's act as that order block then. Dang, so close. Yeah, but it's honestly like it's totally fine. This. How was did you take any trades today? Yes, yes. Well, what a reaction. Oh, we didn't even tap it. Wow, look at that reaction off of CE, by the way. Oh, looks way better on the 1 minute than the 15 minute itself. Just 2 small long scalps on that move. Nice, man. W's. It must be W's. Nothing crazy. I usually don't play longs, but man, the long's been cooking for 3 days now. Nice, man. Nice. Where are you taking the setups on? On the funded still? Okay, did tap it now. See if it's gonna hold. Yeah, and the funnel account. Nice, man, nice. Locked in like 32 points, only 1 micro, slow and steady. Nice, man. Yeah, that's how it should be. Long-term profits. Nice, man. $15 or 17 more minutes and then my kill zone ends. And I will definitely won't touch the AM session anymore. Nice reaction off of mean threshold. Also, this is it is the wick here. They close above the busy, but I would still want to see more structure. Like I'm not expecting for it to reverse now. Actually, expecting for it to consolidate inside of the area here. The busy, I mean. Still down minus $85 on the account before getting back to break even. 1 micro, 32 points. How much is that? What is it per tick? Honestly, don't know. I don't know how. I'm trying to calculate in my head how long it would take, but potentially, maybe. Potentially this year. Nice reaction. Yeah, wow. That must be random also. Yeah, same as yesterday. Like yesterday I waited the whole AM session and my setup formed at I think 17 or 17. 11, 10 I think. Like literally the end of my kill zone. Which was, yeah, here. Setup formed at 11:06. So it can be maybe late here as well. Like 42 points in the hole still. Oh, okay, so like one trade. Or maybe today was a good trade. But yeah, if it's only like, I would say then 2 trades max. Like that, you will definitely get back from that. I normally aim for 50 points on a day. Oh, alright, so that would be good. So like, yeah, max 2 trades on a day then. Maybe not even, yeah, or 1 trade. Then you will definitely get back up from that. Or get back from that. I believe in you. Still, Still doing the series, right? Oh wait, you use the what is it? What is that called? Where you can see all the liquidity and stuff? Oh, bookmap. I didn't know you used that. I don't know why, but that that looks like such a real trader. Like you don't see like any if you look up like maybe those are all wrong, I don't know. But the full-time like the day in the life of a full-time trader videos, like you don't see anyone really trading ICT concepts. You see everyone trading with not like I would say the new concepts. I don't know, but I've never counted point. I count money. Yeah, that's personal, of course. Bookmap, yeah, nice man. Damn, seen NQ and ES being trading in the PM a lot these days. Are there more setups in NQ or ES for it? Definitely NQ, and I think that would be honestly, if you're an ICT trader, for 99% of ICT traders, think yeah, I think for 99% of ICT traders they trade NQ because NQ is just so much more like it has so much more volatility. Like ES is 99% of the time, 9 out of 10 times, it's always behind of what NQ is gonna do. I focus on iceberg orders and absorption. Nice. Hate? No, it's not hate. Like I would say that's like honestly, like that's honestly really cool. Have you heard of Goldbuck? Yeah, man. That's like I've never traded it, but I've seen it before. But literally, like it from what I've seen, it looks so precise. But you literally have 1 million 1 million levels on your chart. Like of course, price is somewhere gonna print a low and tap that and then go higher. Like I'm not like it could work obviously. Like I don't know if it's actual real strategy, but I saw that there was like 1 million horizontal lines, and then yeah, I know of course some of them will get tapped. Like not hating on it, but I don't know. Took a 20468, 2048 short. 248. Oh, that's a real scalp then, I think. Oh wait. Oh, here then. 2468. Oh, nice. 204. Oh, wow, nice man. Was it the inversion? Or what was your entry? Nice man. I don't even know if you do you trade IC concepts, clip wedge? We WSP and Q. What's up and Q? Or I don't even know what that means. Yeah. I really mean it trading NQ futures. Those levels are for FEG, breakers, liquidity void. Yeah, I saw it, but I personally don't trade it myself either, just wanting to get opinions. Yeah, I would say like if I had maybe there's like an indicator. Alright, I'm really curious what's gonna happen now. I don't think these even are all the levels, because I saw a lot more on someone else's chart. What am I doing? But yeah. Oh. Yeah, honestly don't know what I'm doing, but yeah. If you do wanted to teach it or learn it, I wouldn't know where to send you, but oh yeah, I saw this, I think. Yeah, I don't know. Still, I would look for another manipulation lower. It did react nicely off that constant encroachment. This would be the low-hanging fruit. But still no setup for me. No, literally nothing here. We do have this inversion here, but it's not enough for me. Oh my god, I missed it. Fuck me, I missed my setup. Wow. Let's see. Oh, is this a break even? Oh my god. I'm yapping too much on stream. This would be first CP. Hopefully this would be hopefully we can come back a break even. I'm honestly yapping too much on stream. I'm not even focused. Wow. ES cleaner in PM this week. Man, YouTube not putting you on my damn homepage. How have I missed all those videos? I hate of futures. DMNS is the best. Go to 5-minute and settings and 81 power 3. Oh, 5 minute you mean? Low honestly, but for real, would it be hard to switch from gold to NQ? Yeah, I have no real opinion about it. Like, that's just something you gotta backtest and look for in the data yourself. Like, just do it. Just go to if you really want to go to NQ and ES. Wow, hopefully this won't be TP because that would be really sad. Are you virtual goals? Seeing what SMT was and went blank. It's all time confusing. Not gonna lie. Yeah, just yeah, not trading gold back. Don't even want to learn it. I went long at 11:03. In demo tapping it too late. Bro, no way. Are we actually gonna go now? Ah, man, oh man. Wow. I just want to enter random trades. Don't do it. You just want you just want the dopamine probably. Why do you want to enter random trades? No way. Like, what's the chance of this reversing to break even? Then I know it's that it would have been a W, but like, what are the chances? I really hope it does. But I don't think it will. I subbed up, keep up the grind. What the hell am I saying? I subbed up, keep up the grind, brother. Thank you, man. Thank you. Seeing what SMT was, I went blank. On gold pack. Like, I don't even know why it is. He uses ICT as his PD array names. SMT. I have no idea. Oh. Please don't run to the highs. I would never say it if I was in it, of course, but I want it to go against me now if I was in. How old were you when you started learning ICT? I'm 21 now. I'm totally learning trading for 1 year and I'd say 4 months, but I think it's 1 year, 5 months, or 6 months even. And ICT, I first month I did support and resistance. Then pretty soon I found TGR trades. I don't know if you know him, but I traded him for, or his concepts. Like, he trades ICT, but really wasn't really ICT then. But I traded that for, I would say 3-4, yeah, at least 3 months. And then after that I looked into ICT and started actually learning from ICT himself and then other YouTubers from after watching all the playlists. I thought I was gonna find a secret, but I didn't, of course. But I would say at least a year then. No, I just want to test and control my trade. All right, nice. Are those all your setups then? Like the trades you're taking? Like, are those all your actual setups? Man, I really want this to not go there. I will be off in 3 minutes because that's outside my kill zone anyway. I'm not taking any other trades. But I'm setting alerts on there. Hopefully Hopefully it won't say on my phone TP would have been hit. Hopefully it wouldn't. Or hopefully it won't. And this, just leave it like that. Really hope it goes back. Literally yapping too much in the stream. But I like yapping. But I shouldn't be doing that at the moment. Or at that moment. I really want to have, hopefully the market makers can know my demo trade would have been there. And that they come back to it because I asked them very nicely. The man who claims to have found Goldbach says ICT was the original founder, has never came out with it saying he knows exactly how the markets, because it's all predetermined by Matt and Power Tree. There's an entire book on it. So weird but interesting. Yeah, I saw that video too. I think there are like multiple, but ICT said many times that he really Goldbach is bullshit. And I saw videos as well, which of a guy who watched ICT his executions videos, and then put Goldbach on his own charts, and then said, "Oh, this was the reason that ICT entered." But I really don't think that Goldbach is like that. Like that is just another mystery for people to like. Oh, that is the like the golden egg. If I trade that, and that's how I'm gonna be ICT. But there is no secret. Like literally, that's what I learned. There's no secret. There's literally nothing. And if there was a secret, no one is gonna tell you. If it was actually was a secret, if Goldbach was like the golden egg, then they should be trillionaires. But they aren't. The first one I'll do if it tapped the first survey gap. I'll do tap the first survey gap, but it didn't because the difference between charts. Oh yeah, I miss sometimes. Oh, nice, man. Yeah, just leave it there. Yeah. Please come, please come lure. Yeah. If I actually was in a trade, I would be incredibly pissed, of course, but I'm not in it, so. $17.15, so I would close the charts here, but we are getting like kind of close. So maybe wait a bit more. Also, it's fun talking to you guys. Looks pretty like low volume, but yeah, could happen anything. Could happen anything. No, anything could happen with that. Nice. This, no, I don't want that. No, okay, that's good. Yeah, it would have been, this would have been TP anyway. Because this is a stage of accumulation. This is the original consolidation, accumulation 1, accumulation 2, smart money reversal, like lower spine rejection block, trade higher. But yeah, first stage, or this is like a stage of distribution, or stage of accumulation. This is a 1 to 5, but if it's a 1 to 5, I extended first TP 1 to 2 target, which would have been hit. This would have been second target, and probably full TP. Yeah, I already missed the trade anyway, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, that would have been TP anyway. So really unfortunate. Just another lesson that I can take out of this. Like really, if it's inside my kill zone, I should really focus. Like the price action looked pretty bad. Like I had a huge drop lower. But once I see an inversion, even though it isn't with the liquidity, once I see an inversion, my eyes should just go to it. And it did. Like I did see the inversion, but I didn't even bother to look. I think it was like this, but I didn't even bother to look even more left, which represented setup. Like the total picture represented setup. Unfortunately. Unfortunate. Yo, Druff, how are you? Yeah, I'm good, man. How are you? You took any trades today? But I do hope that the rest will get stopped at break even then. Because this would have been second TP then. But yeah, 75% would already be off at the 1 and 2. Okay, this does look good. In the same trade? I'm not in the trade. I should be in the trade, but I missed it. It was yapping too much. I really hope that I get stopped at break even here, because that would have been my original break even if I was in it. First TP would be this high, but I take at least a 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 first TP then, and then this would be second TP. Alright, let's see now. Nice. Or is it? Oh yeah, no, it's at this. I would have been break even here, so that's good. Nice. But yeah, it was a TP. Crazy, but it's fine. Did you take any other trades today, Durov? This still looks really clean, maybe for the PM session. No, only this one? Nice, man. Did you already take a partial? Was the entry also the... would it also have been the inversion here? Missed the initial buys at the lows. Somewhere here. I took a loss this day. The only trade I took. We had equal low set here. I was bullish. Buys was beautifully hit eventually, but stopped at break even would be at this high. Create like equalize here, get stopped on this wick here, and then we actually go. But I wouldn't have captured any of this anyway, but it's just unfortunate that I didn't get a break even on my trade. Took a loss instead of the break even, which could have been the break even. But yeah, market does what it wants. I'm not blaming the market, I'm blaming myself for this, of course. No partials. Where's your stop? Yeah, I'm blaming myself, of course, but there is nothing to blame. Like I did everything by my rules. There's nothing to blame. Like I'm accepting the loss there. Like nothing to complain. Oh, a 50-minute wick. Okay, so you're in a 50-minute wick. You mean the CE or like the low? You just mean the low? I really hope that we gonna consolidate inside of here, and then PM session is gonna push into highs, hopefully. No looking good for upside, honestly. Yeah, I honestly don't know. It's outside my kill zone. Like I'm, like I always say, like I have my kill zones, and the rest of when it's outside my kill zone, then we are there to generate liquidity. But that doesn't always happen, of course. But that's just how I want to look at it. Like market can do anything it wants, and in the lunch hour it will generate liquidity, not take liquidity. Even though if it doesn't, I still look at it like that. So I won't really even give my opinion about this. Yeah, I really hope that you that we will take those highs then for you. Below the wick. Oh, okay. So your stop's just at low here. This one. Yeah, they'd also tap this wick here. I don't know. Hopefully we don't get like an SMT at the lows. Yeah, I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna be back in the PM session. Thank you guys for watching this AM session stream. Hopefully see you guys in the PM session. I really appreciate everyone, every 4 of you that is watching. Duraf, Miss Nobody, JSP, NQ Futures. I don't know who's watching, but M5 pretty bad. Oh yeah, I don't know who's watching, but I really appreciate that you're watching. But I'll be back in the PM. So yeah, see ya.